guys, welcome back to the channel. We are at a different location today. We're actually in my dining room slash kitchen. It's an open concept. Basically today, what we are going to be doing is taking this piece of furniture behind me. I got this from Home Goods forever ago, and we are going to be transforming it. So right now it is like kitchen towel storage and placemats and all that random stuff, and then kind of like our booze bar. It's where we keep all of our alcohol. And as you can see, I've moved a bunch of coffee stuff over. I'm going to make this half coffee bar, half booze bar. So we are going to go ahead and make those changes. I have a whole stack of stuff over here from my Amazon, Target, and Home Good hauls. I will link those up here at the top and in the description box down below if you haven't seen those yet. I have picked up a few things here and there that weren't mentioned in those hauls, and I am hoping to get an Amazon store set up. I'm trying to figure out how to do that, so if you do know, let me know down below, please. But if I do have it set up, I'll have it linked down below, and if not, I'm working on it, I promise, just for all those like random things that I like to talk about that I got from Amazon. So we have a lot of work ahead of us. I'm going to do a nice before and after shot here because I love a before and after moment. But today we are going to be going through all of this stuff, decluttering, reorganizing, setting up some new stuff, decorating, cleaning, the whole shebang. I will say I'm in the middle. This is like my last project downstairs in my house, except for like the garage and the backyard. But I still have other basic cleaning to do after I'm done with this. So my table, I'm gonna be putting stuff on it. I have like wiped it down, but it's not like cleaned yet. So that, just ignore that. And then I have not cleaned my windows yet because it has either been stupid hot, thus leaving them streaky, or it's been raining a lot and I'm kind of in a catch-22, so my windows are absolutely filthy. Thank you to my dogs and my children. So ignore those. I am going to be cleaning those ideally tonight. It's just weather permitting, of course. But let's go ahead and jump in. I'm gonna show you guys a before and after shot, and let's do this. Okay, so this pile of stuff right here is some new stuff that we are going to be setting up today. Over on the top here, I have literally just set up all of my coffee stuff. I've just kind of moved it over here. So this stuff will all get moved over to the table while I sort everything. In this cabinet right now is all of our like alcohol related stuff. This desperately needs to be cleaned out, sorted, organized. And then on this side is literally kitchen towel storage. You can see how terribly wrong that went. Some more alcohol stuff, random stuff, napkins, all that stuff. So this side is going to be a coffee bar. This side is going to be a booze bar. So I'm probably gonna end up doing lots of voiceovers for this just to kind of keep it simple. But the first step is going to be pulling everything out. I am going to bring it all over to my dining room table, and I'm going to sort everything into piles and figure out what I'm donating. So there will also be a donation pile. The trash can's right over there. So if you see me going over there, that means that something was trash. Let's jump in. So I cleaned all that off, I pulled it out, I swept up behind it. It was super dusty back there, and I haven't done the rest of my floors yet, but that's kind of difficult to do when it's, you know, all set up and everything. So I'm gonna do my floors tonight as well when I do the windows, but that's all clean now. This is everything that came out of it. There's a lot of glare from the doors because the doors are all glass. So I don't know how well you can see it, but there is so much stuff that came out of this. And again, I'm kind of switching this to a coffee bar slash booze bar. So I've got my other stuff over there. Now I'm going to clean out the inside of the shelves. And I think I'm going to start with probably the coffee bar section. And we're gonna start setting some of that stuff up. So I'm going to wipe out the inside of these, clean them with some wood cleaner, and then start to get everything set up over here. It's not quite finished. I'm loving how this looks though. I think it looks so nice. And then over here, I ordered the syrups. They're not here yet, but they're gonna go right here. And then I plan to get labels. I need to make some labels for the tea, the K-cups, the towels. And so I'm gonna do that today as well. And then I totally spaced on what I was gonna do with the coffee mugs. So I ordered some shelf risers from Target. I'm gonna go pick those up in a few minutes actually, so you'll get to see those today too as well. But I wanted to give you guys a brief overview of where we are. So all of this stuff, the organizers I'm going to see if I can use in a different project. The towels are all going to go. There's some stuff up here I need to recycle. This flask, these shot glasses, this cup, this mixer, this straw holder, those are all going to get donated. I took the stuff out of this box because this box is just huge, so that's going to get recycled. This is bad, so I'm going to toss that out. This stuff I'm going to put elsewhere. I've got a couple of other things that need to go with the coffee bar, and then I need to figure out what I'm doing with placemats. I need to figure that out. I think this stuff's going to get moved. Unfortunately, we have a shot glass roulette, and I broke one of those shot glasses, so I'm probably going to go ahead and donate that, toss it out, see if someone else wants it. I don't know. This stuff, these little conversation cards, they're going to get donated. We never use them. And then these essential oils are going to get moved, except for like one or two to use down here. And then I've got the napkins. So, and then I've got all of my coffee mugs that I'm going to go through really quick, pull out the ones that I want to be donated. So I'll show you guys in just a second. And then I'm going to go and pick up those risers and make my labels, and we will get all of this finished up. All right, you guys, it is hot. It has been a very long day, but we are 90% of the way done. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick walkthrough and show you what's still missing, but for the most part, we're all done. Okay, so this is an overview. As you can see, it's kind of separated, half coffee bar, half what I like to call the booze bar. The coffee bar on the top has this cute setup. I love it. I almost feel like it's a little bit too much, but just something about it makes me so happy, you know what I mean? Now I do have more syrups coming. That's what these are for, and those are gonna go right along here. So for now, that's good. And then if you come over here, you have the booze bar setup, which is, again, adorable. I love it. These cabinets right here are for the coffee bar side, and I ended up making some labels for the bins, like I said earlier. So I have one for K-cups, and then over here we've got some coffee mugs. These are hot cocoa K-cups. And then down here, extra coffee mugs, placemats for the kids, napkins, and towels. And I love how this looks. I just think the whole thing all together looks adorable, and the organization is fabulous. All right, and then these cabinets, this is the booze bar side. So on the top over here, we have a little basket filled with some shot glasses, some copper mugs in the back there. This I pulled from the makeup room because I wasn't using it, this little stone piece, and I put the mixers on there. This is mixers and bitters and anything you need to make some cocktails. I love that. And then down here, this tray actually also came from the makeup room. I used to use it to hold my perfumes, and now it holds ice molds and some recipe books, a Jack Daniels mug with some bottle openers back here, and then another Lazy Susan with booze on it. And then there's a couple of other bottles in the back there. Again, I love this. I just think this is so perfect. Everything is so nicely organized. Okay, so honestly, again, really excited. I think it came out great. I am like all hot and sweaty. My hair's a mess. It's so hot in this house right now. But I love all of this. So let me know down below what you guys think. I will catch y'all next time. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that bigger subscribe button if you'd like to see more of me and my projects in the future. And I will catch you guys next time. Have a great one. Bye.